Hello everybody, it's me, Clemson. Welcome back, and I hope you guys are ready. So real quick, if you're noticing is what happened last and seeing the layout, I fucked up. I got the Cubone to evolve, Marowak, Mazel Tov. I even got to the right level. I got to 52 with the rest of the party. Then it died. It died right before I got to level 53 to finish the grinding. So, we're just gonna move... Oh yeah, also I accidentally fought him. Yeah. There is... Why is there just a random tree? There is no recourse. There's nothing I can do to make this better. You know, I'm just... Wesley, if you're watching, buddy, I'm eventually gonna get you Totodile. Oh. You'd be wasting time even if you were to get by... Bitch, what? You think, you know what, I actually like your hair. But just because I like your hair, your follicles, does not mean you shall survive this fight. You talked shit, and wouldn't you know, I swing back like a pimp so I can slap that hoe. Anyway, really nothing of substance has happened in the last day. It has been pretty boring. All I am doing is getting more excited for Legend of Arceus to come. And I need to get through my Gen 3 of my generation, right? Daisy's leveled up. Good Daisy. Oh yeah, I guess the biggest thing was I got Baba, I think Billy up a level. So everyone's level 54 now. So you know, the good stuff. I am actively hoping we get a 5th team member soon, because if, yeah, 6th team member soon. Because if not, it is going to be hard when we fight the Elite Four again. But I am hopeful. We got a lot more encounters. Let's see, we got... Yeah, oh yeah, also Helix almost died during the grinding. Got knocked down to 5 HP. Then killed the other Mon. I was thoroughly impressed. It was terrifying. Okay, good to know you're furious. Your opinion means nothing. Okay, let's see. So, to clarify, we got... Okay, we gotta get the Memorial Pillar if we can get another encounter. So, we got the Meadow. I think we already got... Yeah, so we already got Water Labyrinth. We already got 5 Island itself. We gotta get to the rest, the Resort Gorgeous, and then the Lost Cave. We are running low on options. Very sad. Very sad indeed. Okay. We are... Yeah, I'm gonna put Big Red out, because I have not used Big Red yet. There's nothing past here except our warehouse, so what brings you here? To kick your ass and take your shit, you know. Kind of like what you guys do, but successfully. I'm actually kind of glad I switched out, because that maybe not have been good. Go Psychic, go big, or, you know, go home. Alright. Oh yeah, I'm looking forward to it. After this, I'm going to record 2 episodes tonight, or should I just record 1? I don't know. I actually haven't gotten to do a lot of the bulk recording that I wanted to do for this weekend. I gotta do still in general, but I have Monday off, so I can actually get some of it done, so I'm kind of cool with that. Anyway, I'm basically going... Yeah, I should probably just do... I don't know, I have a lot of time to decide on a lot of this. Worst part, it would be Tuesday, but Tuesday's pretty lax. I say that, I got off work at 4 o'clock, I have to have an episode up by 5. So, you know. Yeah, this is one of those examples of why I needed a fire type. This is one of the examples of why I miss, and I do really mean I miss Blaze. I don't miss my back clicks. I remember how it cost me a Venusaur because of my bad clicks. I remember that. Patrick Farm remembers that. Okay, let's see. Team Mario Grunt is down. That was supposed to happen. What do you... Oh, okay. enter a password. Goldie needs another password. Okay, cool. Okay. Well, here's what we're gonna do. We have 2 locations to go. Let's see this. Ooh. Okay, that's kind of worthless. Anyway, so there's another area we can go to. We're gonna go there. See what we can get. Oh, Whiscash. Cool. Actually, I haven't seen you yet. That's actually pretty cool. Memorial Pillar. Okay. Hard part, decision time. Yeah, we're still gonna go with grass. The best thing about birds, it has to be the beak. Really creepy that you are trying to define to me what the best part. You know what? Actually, never mind. Take that back because I think about the best parts of dogs, and I have to think. When I find one of the best parts about dogs, it's just like their nose. It's just so adorable to feel, and if it ever gets like whenever it's dry, it just feels in dry and wet feels so different. Also, depending on the dog, how soft their fur is. So we're gonna fight a Grumpig. Okay, I'm lucky it's asleep. Can I get one more? Yes. Haha, you fool. Oh no, you fool. Oh, you fool. I mean all of this. You actually probably had Psychic. You could have done at least something. I mean, I guess you had Psychic. You probably couldn't have done much, but... Okay, Ninetales. I am kind of hoping for another Pokemon, because so far our team's comprised mostly of legendaries, or, well, I guess mythical Pokemon. Okay, I'm gonna do Mudshot just to... So yeah, I guess going back a little bit, I'm actually really looking for Legend Arceus, but I am also worried. I really do regret, I mean it so much, I regret being on Twitter as much, because I'm posting on Twitter, not a lot, it's most of the episodes, to try and see, I'm nervous, I'm scared, I want things I'm doing to be doing well, you know, I'm a human. So I get on Twitter a lot to just check some things, and then also just to see what people I follow on Twitter are doing. And I keep getting spoilers, and I hate it. I hate it so much. So much. So much. Berkey Milo. Okay, so we're gonna be brave, we're gonna be bold, we're gonna go through the grass here. Okay, never melt ice, I'm the middle kid of the bird brothers. The best thing about birds has to be the wings. If the next person's... Wait, first off, how do you guys know what birds are? Like, I get that people call them bird Pokemon, but you gotta think there's actually no birds. Just Pokemon. How? Why? Where? Questions for later. This is actually kind of something I wanted to bring up earlier. Actually, the very early part of the episode, but I got kind of nervous. I'm a very nervous person. You would not think so. I think if you saw me, you wouldn't think so. You knew how big I was. I don't think I'm huge either. I've been told I'm a big guy in some way. I don't know. That sounds weird, because rambling. Need to stop that. Anyway, what I wanted to say was, if you guys didn't watch the episode 1 of Soul Silver Randomizer Nuzlocke, don't know why I said the full title there. Again, nervous. As I said there, I'm going to say it here, I'm going to be uploading 4 times a week. Monday and Thursday are going to be for Pokemon FireRed Randomizer, and Tuesday and Friday are going to be for Soul Silver. Until I finish out FireRed, then what I'm going to do either then is I'm going to switch over to 4 days a week for Soul Silver, or 5 days a week and make Wednesday for all 5 days. Oh, cool, escape rope. Okay. Encounter, either hopefully it's good or hopefully it's dupes. Motherfucker! You better be a... You... Yeah, motherfucking... So, real quick, why I have this is called Peach, and the other one, the Fearow I have in the Pokebox called Daisy, is because I don't know why when I played through my own Pokemon FireRed playthrough, my original one for my FireRed run, I ended up calling them that as basically from Mario. I know it seems stupid, but you know what? We need at least a 5th Mon, and I actually care very little for almost everything else in the box right now. Shellbell. Was this it? Because I swear I'm the youngest of the brothers. This thing has to be the down. What is that? You know what? Actually, to give him credit, he's at least fighting with a bird, like with a chicken. I didn't know Combustion learned Mirror Move. That's actually pretty interesting. I didn't know that. Okay. So we got that taken care of pretty easily. Peach is gonna level up a lot, probably. 10, 11, 12, 13. Quick attack. Come on, level... no, level 18. Darn. Oh, hey, cool. You know what? You're the first one to actually have a whole team of flying types. Also, I'm going to kill you for rubbing in my face the loss of my brethren. I'm going to kill you. Helix, take the stage. Show them we mean no mercy. I kind of forgot what level I caught Helix at. I need to check that out actually, but I kind of forgot what level I got you at. Also, when we get a chance, we need to go get to Move to Leader and Move to Learner, because Waterfall actually I don't think is that great for you. We're gonna take a second after this. Peach is 14, 15, 16. Okay, sweet. Hair down is so comfy, it makes me drowsy. Okay, I don't actually know what you... I still don't know what that means. Okay, so... Yeah, no. Your attack is not good. Actually, wait, I don't think the move split happened yet. Okay. Oh yeah, this is the island, Scrub. Oh, hello, your Pokemon look healthy. This is where I buried my Onix. It was named Tectonics. Kind of a dick move to have your pet Pokemon... God damn it, 2 Pokédolls. Okay, so is this it? Really? I came all the way here and just... Okay. This is a waste of time. I guess... Actually, I'm kind of curious. Okay, I lost nothing, I guess. I lost out on nothing. Yeah, okay, I either got the... I don't think I have a Moonstone, actually, so... I actually would not have hated the Zigzagoon if you... Can't believe that. Motherfucker. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop breaking the speed up button because it's gonna be intrinsic for a while until I either decide to change it or something. I don't know. Okay, sweet. Peach is level 18. Peach is evolving. I was thinking our team is actually heavily female orientated. That's actually pretty interesting. That has never happened before. I try to usually keep it a balance. Mock me, game. Mock me as much as you like, but you will never break my tenacious spirit. Okay, so we're gonna go up to the top of the Lost Cave and see what that is. And then if we find nothing but Bupkis, we're gonna then, I don't know, go to the 6th island. Okay, we're gonna try to use speed up at all. Okay. The angle is not... Oh crap, wrong button. Oh, you... Oh, well, I guess... Oh, yeah, I guess originally you probably had, I thought I have 2 electric types on my team. I think the best move both of them know is just Thunder Shock. That is so underwhelming, it's hilarious. That was underwhelming, though. Good job. Your Gorobus actually did some pretty good damage. And it still didn't die. Also impressive. Oh, shit. I almost shat myself. I want you to know that. You had me legitimately scared. I was horrified. No. You have me scared enough to where I'm going to now heal up. I love you too, Baba. Come on, buddy. Hug me. Yeah, I know also Jirachi is unisex, but I'm gonna consider this Jirachi a girl. If you must know. I didn't ask you that. I asked you wanted to fight so you could lose to give me money. You know, that's adorable. I like how you guys... Because we haven't seen, in the base game, we didn't see these sprites. I actually like how they got different as soon as we started fighting them on these islands. I find that really interesting. Real quick to clarify, I consider Daisy, I know they're both unisex, I have no gender, but I consider this Daisy, this Jirachi to be a girl, and I consider Billy to be a boy. If I hadn't said it before, the reason I call him Billy is from a One Piece movie, One Piece movie 10, Strong World. I'm pretty sure Billy was a boy, and also I'd call him, it's basically that, and also Billy as for my great uncle slash grandpa. Because I love my grandpa. Wasn't great, but he was mine. I love him and I miss him. I just now realized that to actually... I just now realized, but me putting this Pidgeotto on... Oh, shit. I kind of forgot because the Yox we trained up for that Death Box run that... Holy shit. Helix. Holy shit. If I ever get famous enough to do merch, you're gonna be on the shirt. You're gonna be... Basically, you're gonna be you in a coffin with your tentacles still out, pulling yourself up. And if anyone takes that idea... I mean, I don't have enough clout to do anything about it. You've won that round. I'm going to hate you for it and call you an asshole, but there you go, I put it. Come on, Mistress Helix. You know, I respect the do-or-die mentality, but you're just kind of doing yourself a disservice here. Jesus Christ, Helix, you badass. I don't know if I said before, I just realized I had to actually put this Pidgey and Pidgeotto and then to Pidgeot into the fucking thumbnail. Oh yeah, random thing. Did anyone remember this? That actually Ash's Pidgeot that evolved, I think, at the very end of the fucking anime, which is really weird. That it had that much time, it didn't evolve to the very end. But he was originally called as a Pidgeotto. Okay, we're doing this, really? Okay. Point to paint. Please get out of my sight. Oh, okay. Larvitar. I would almost assuredly think this would be a good idea if it was a lower level. Come on. Also, a random thing, you know that for some reason, like, it's weird that Larvitar is rock and ground, so is Pupitar, but then it evolves to Tyranitar, and Tyranitar is just a rock and dark type. Seriously though, I would totally do merch for that. I don't even like care for Omni that much, but I respect. Real respect, real. I almost want to change your name to something more memorable instead of just fucking heal. I'm going to do that. I'm going to pull maze. I'm going to think up a better name. Helix won't be Helix after this. Simply because of the fact of she almost died twice and she's a fucking bad bitch and you best respect it. Yeah, I forgot about you have drill run. Go out, Billy. Oh yeah, also as soon as you get to level 55, you'll actually be a level past the one I have in my personal run. Oh yeah, also for my personal was going to be the same way. I was going to actually do this, then take a picture of what I had, and then I was just going to go through. Because, I actually liked my personal run when I was younger, because when I played FireRed the first time, I did do all of the same stuff, all the 70 islands and everything. And that's how I first ran into, for example, the Pupitar line, not Pupitar, the Tyranitar line. Because at the time I only had FireRed and Emerald. So I didn't actually know, I didn't have a I didn't have a DS yet, so I couldn't actually get a Tyranitar normally. Let's say normally, I just meant like from the 2nd gen games. I got those Pokemon games before 4th gen ever came out. At least I think I did. See, my brother was, I think, 13 or 14, so... Yeah, before the games came out. And we are getting no coverage. No, oh man, just so sad. Come on, something to replace Daisy. Something to replace Daisy. Helix! I believe in you. Your beauty is unabated. Wait, unabated? No. That's not the right word. Oh, shit. Cheat sheet. Fuck it. Oh! They countered our cheat sheet with a cheat sheet. Shit. Clever bastards. Only reason I'm speeding up because we have 7 minutes left and nothing has really fucking happened. Oh yeah, also another thing. I'm really bummed out. I mean this sincerely. I am bummed out that I killed that Marowak, that I killed Orphan. Simply because I've actually never used Marowak before, so you know, guy would have been cool. But also because he had, I can't remember what the ability was. But basically he had Double Edge, and Double Edge wouldn't have done shit. Ancient Power. Fuck me. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get rid of Mudshot, and then if I think I have 1 heart scale. If I don't, I have to look up how to get one. Okay, cool. Okay, we're just apparently doing training here and wasting our damn time. That's what I've just learned. Well, then that means this is effectively nothing important, so... Good run, I'm really fast. Where do you all sleep? Okay, so by the time... Well, actually, I gotta check it. Fucking son of a bitch. Oh, you're gonna pay. You'll pay with Helix's new move. Stab ancient power, bitch. Way to go. And then you can get rid of tackle because it does nothing. Okay, sweet. Okay, so I have the choice of either fishing or surfing. You know what? Screw it. Go with God. Something good to replace Pidgeot. Something good, something good, something good, something good, something good. I just... And then I gotta... Okay, You know what? To anyone watching, you're right about one thing. Wait, actually, wait, there's supposed to be a lost cave. Oh, yeah, sweet. I thought I had no choices left. Thank God I was wrong. Oh my God, no. Also, can we talk about how funny it is that Grab was with a swimmer? Oh, thank God. Thank God you haven't skill link yet. Man, it has almost been 20 minutes and we have done nothing. I feel like a... Okay, yeah, you know what? It's gonna be a... I say a lot of XP. God, it's not. That's sad. Like, you probably only get one level from this. Oh, you got at least one level. Oh God, that was just almost too sad. Okay. Actually, here's a funny thing for you. I actually didn't do this map this much. I've only ever done this once when I was younger. So I never actually went to these islands a lot. I thought this was an ancient ruin, but it's teamed with ghosts. Okay, I'm going to get lost as hell, apparently. Dude, this... Okay, two back-to-back freebies. That's awesome. Okay, that's not going to be a freebie. Another freebie, another freebie, another freebie. Okay. Okay. Oh my God. I am actually gonna send Peach out to this. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was terrifying. Peach, you've earned my respect. Okay, let's see. Did I? Okay. I'm just curious. Why the fuck? Okay. Wait, so what is down? So there has to be... Okay, cool. Pearl. Okay. So then, sweet. Okay, what the fuck? Okay, this is creepy. Oh crap, I'm out of time. Okay. I'm sorry for being so quiet about that. This got to a really weird point. We are going to beat her. And I don't know then. Yeah, by the way, I think actually a freaking slack off that killed, yeah, it was. It was a slack off that killed our fucking, Marowak. Okay. Okay. But this is actually pretty cool. So you can't see it, but I'm giving Zapdos the bird. Poetically. Poetically birded. Okay. So that's gonna be all for now, guys. I hope you guys have a great night. And until next time, I hope you all have a good one. Till then, be safe, everybody.